Hello you guys and welcome to my bathroom. We are coming at you from the bathroom because we're going to be playing with some makeup. We're going to be trying out something really fun. I was recently perusing Facebook and one of those little ads popped up and it got me. You know, they've gotten me quite a few times this year. Anyways, so this one is an ad popped up for those eyebrow stamp things. It's like a little stamper and you have like an eyebrow form and you stamp it on. Well, this particular one was kind of like expensive. I mean, to me, because for what it is, it's kind of gimmicky and I didn't know if it was gonna work. So the one I saw was like $30, $40. So I decided to go on Amazon because Amazon of course would have something like similar that's cheaper, right? Yeah, they did. This one that I got, ordered it yesterday, just got it today. Eyebrow Stamp Shaping Kit. Brow Definer Powder Stamp Makeup with 10 reusable eyebrow stencils, 2 eyebrow brushes. Oh, mine don't, I don't know if it came with the brushes. Waterproof, long-lasting eyebrow makeup tools. Sounds too good to be true, huh? Let's check it out. All right, now, so it comes in 2 different colors, a dark brown and a black. So I ordered the dark brown. My brows are dark because if you can see my roots, my hair is dark. Now I'm a bit worried because I haven't opened this yet, but this is the box and the box is very like on the, it's kind of like red. Like I feel like it's on the red side. So it does say dark brown. Yeah, it definitely didn't come with the spoolie things, which I do not. Oh, never mind, it did. They were in here, they were in the box. Okay, so, oh my gosh, they're so little. They're so teeny tiny. I have so many of these, like actual makeup brushes like this, so I probably won't even use those. But okay, so here is, oh my gosh, what are we doing? So this is what it looks like. And then you take off the cap. Oh, it twists off, okay. Oh, okay, so here's the applicator and the product is actually inside the cap. So the product is actually inside the cap there. Okay, that's actually really cool. I hope this works because this could be like a really easy, quick and easy way to do your brows. You guys will see in a few minutes when I take off my brows that I have no brows. I plucked them, waxed them way too much in the 90s and they just will not grow. They will not grow. I've tried everything. So it is what it is and I fill them in every day. I'm okay with it, but this might be an easier way to do it. So these are the little eyebrow models, magical eyebrow style. So that's what this looks like. And then there seems to be, what did they say? There were 10 of them in here? Gosh, there's so many. Okay, so they're almost like a silicone-y feel and they're just, yeah, they're just all different. Party Star. Oh, they all have names. Nobility, Classic, Sexy, oh boy. Heroine, Elegant, Queen, Confident, Shooting Star, Youthful, and Party Star. Whoa, Party Star has a really big arch. Oh my gosh, you guys, what are we gonna do? I think I'm just gonna go with the classic one just to try. And then I think what I'll do with some of these other ones is maybe try it on my arm or something, just like to get an idea of the shape. Oh, I'm really nervous, you guys. The thing is, it shows on here. So basically it shows you like where, if you've ever had your brows like mapped out or anything, it like starts here and then they want the one like right, like this way, like going through your eye kind of, and then the one at the end, like for the end of it. So it kind of shows you like where to start, where the middle, and then the end. So, oh dear, this is gonna be tricky. Now I've got a mirror over here and you guys, I'm using an ironing board as my table because I don't have a table anymore. It should be good. Okay, oh, I'm nervous. So what I'm really curious to see is, I don't know if you guys have seen like that Facebook ad where it shows like this girl like pouring water on her face, like on her eyebrows to show that it's like waterproof and that it's gonna stay in place. I'm really curious to see if that actually works. Okay, so let's take off these brows. Don't make fun of me, guys. Like, my brows are bad. So the brows are gone, so you can see they're very, very tiny. All right, so we're gonna try this classic one. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Okay, so put it here. Oh, it looks huge. I'm afraid, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm scared. I feel like this is gonna look huge on my face. All right, we're just gonna go for it. So here's the little applicator. See, there's powder on it. So here we go. Ready? Oh dear. Well, it's kind of intense, but if you use the little spoolie, I think. Okay, I mean, that's actually not bad, you guys. What? Okay, all right, we're gonna try the other side because I'm actually quite shocked. So I am gonna wipe this off because obviously the product got on there, but I'm assuming you just turn it over and then use the other side on your other brow. This is nuts. Oh, I think I moved it. Okay. I mean, are they even? Okay. I feel like that one could go out a little bit more. Do they look even? It's really hard to tell. I feel like they kind of look good. What? This is crazy. I'm like shocked right now. I feel like they look really good. This is too good to be true. And it was so easy. Like the hardest part was just trying to get this held on there. I'm blown away. I feel like we should try another one. All right, let's try one on my arm and then I'm gonna take these off and we're gonna try another one. All right, so you know what we're gonna do? I don't exactly know how to test the whole waterproof aspect of it, so I'm gonna do it on my arm and then we're gonna try to like wash my arm and see, or run water over it, I guess, and just see what happens. Let's do the sexy one on my arm. These aren't on there the greatest, but I'm hoping that it'll work, so let's see. Okay, let's see how they look. Oh dear. Oh my gosh. That's like a perfect little eyebrow. This is crazy. And then like if you just kind of soften it there at the front, I feel like it makes it look a little bit more realistic. So I'm in my bathroom. I'm just gonna run my arm underwater. Hold on. My arm's soaked. And I mean, it's coming off a little. Well, maybe I didn't let it sit long enough, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know about it being waterproof, but I'm like actually shocked, you guys. I'm shocked that this worked. I'm gonna take these off and we're gonna try one other one on my actual face. Which one should we try? How about the youthful one? Youthful? That like doesn't even look anything like my normal brow. Trying to keep something that has like the same arch of mine. All right, I lied. We're gonna try the sexy one. Let's see. This is nuts, you guys. I was expecting this to be a total flop and like super gimmicky and not cute at all. I'm pleasantly surprised, Amazon. Well, it needs a little bit of work. Why do these look so weird? I mean, they're not supposed to be complete twins, right? I feel like they look really crooked. Like I feel like this one's up a little higher. Maybe if I just keep my head like this. All right, that's all I'm gonna do for now. These were fun, you guys. I'm probably gonna use these on a daily basis. That was so quick and easy. I normally use this Maybelline Tattoo Studio and my brush, and it's pretty quick and easy, but this was so much quicker and it's so much more precise. I think the hardest part is gonna be just like holding them on there and making sure they're in the right place so that they're even, but I don't know. That's a pretty foolproof way of applying your brows. So way to go, Amazon. I would give this a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried them or if you're gonna try them. I thought they were fun. So we'll see you all soon. Bye. I can't believe it actually worked. Did I mention this thing was only 10 bucks? It's only 10 bucks. Way to go, Amazon. Amazon for the win.